White Bull's Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
First of all, we're going to take any little fat chunks off of this. This is a prime top round roast. See, stuff like this? That's got to go. You want as little fat on this as possible. I did get the prime because I like my jerky a little more tender. But you want any actual like fat cap or membrane completely off of this thing, so you have ideal jerky. So let's get the rest of this fat cap off. And this is a beautiful top round roast. Decent amount of marbling through it. I actually like a little bit of fat in my jerky. You can go choice. That's absolutely fine too, guys. We're making jerky, so you don't have to get too technical with it. It's a little bit of extra fat right here. We're gonna trim that down too. Now this next part is really crucial, right? Because here you go. Virtually all your fat is off of this. We're gonna take that little nub off too. All right. Now you got perfect, what looks like perfect jerky size right there, but we're actually gonna cut this in half long ways. Straight down the middle. Just like such. See? Cut them in half. And the reason we cut long ways, as you could see with the grain, is because now we're going to cut our medallions against the grain. Watch. You want these to be as thin as possible. Not too thin, but you really don't want them thick. That is more than thick enough, all right? That might be even too thick. This is really crucial, guys. I mean, if it helps, obviously you want to use the sharpest blade you have. There you go. That's a little better. That's pretty ideal. You see it has a little bit of beautiful marbling in there, because this is a prime. But again, let's do this one more time. Squeeze this a little bit, make sure it's nice and firm. Make sure you watch your hands. And just kind of start really slow. The sharper the blade, the better. And that's a good one right there. See how thin? That's what you're looking for. Now these are gonna marinate for 2 to 4 hours. And we're using Jerky Gold Sweet Burn. Shout out to my guy over at Jerky Gold. So let's keep slicing these up, guys. So we got a bottle of that Jerky Gold Sweet Burn. And we are about to marinate these. Fill it until you're basically submerging the meat. I say that's plenty. Let it settle down. Seal it. And here's the key, don't seal it all the way. Squeeze it until the juice pretty much rises to the top. And then seal it. You see? Because now all you really have is the meat and the marinade kind of stuck together with no air. That's gonna go in the fridge for, you know, anywhere from 4 hours to overnight. All right, this is a super simple recipe. We marinated this beef jerky overnight. We used top round, as you saw me chop it up. You want it to be like literally half an inch thick. no thicker, because then it won't really render the way you want it to for jerky and become like more dried out and dehydrated. So let's take a look. It's been on the smoker for about an hour. It's about a 4-hour cook. At the 2-hour mark, we're gonna flip them over. Right now it's about an hour, so let's take a look at what that looks like. Now mind you, these marinated for 24 hours and they've really seeped in that flavor. We're using sweet heat from Jerky Gold. These are already looking amazing, and we're rolling at 165 on the smoker. Go as low as you can. If you're using an offset, you kind of want to dry, like cold smoke these like you would with cheese. All right, so this is the 2-hour mark. It's time to flip these. Let's take a look. So we're at the 4.5-hour mark. These are just about done. We're gonna actually let them go another hour longer because we want them to almost tear when we bend them, but let's take a look. This is looking amazing. That's what you're looking for right there. Now what you're supposed to do, take these out, let them sit out room temperature for about a half hour, and then dig in. Look at this color. Big shout out to Jerky Gold. All right guys, you know what segment this is. It's the conclusion shot. That sweet burn from Jerky Gold is the truth. Link will be below in the comments. What are we waiting for though? Let me show you the jerky. Time to eat it. First and foremost, your jerky should split like that. Like no problem. That's when you know it's actually done. Fire. Straight fire.
White Bulls BBQ, the best damn barbecue ever.